Welcome to Practice Strokes. I'm going to work on a rose with you today, and I just want you to see that I'm going to put a bigger leaf in the background. All right, so floating medium. This is a 3/4 inch flat brush, and we're using multi-surface paint, and this is blue peacock and citrus, and I can get a little bit of sap as I go in here. All right, so I'm going to take and get a little bit of a full leaf here. I want you to see that I can take this from here and just move it straight over. Okay, and then that puts the dark also on the same side as it did over here. But then it gives you some depth in the leaf, right? So you can also, let's come here and pick up this self-floating medium, and I can grab some pink in there. Okay, so now watch this. I'm gonna lift this up so you don't see so much of a glare. I can then roll this. That didn't show up as we go. But see, that's got some pink in it with the citrus. And if you want to, see, I'm going to go over it again. There. All right. So I'm going to come right in here. And I'm going to put a little bit more blue because it looks too green there. All right. And then I can roll this all the way over and stand up so I can smooth that out. There we go. And stand up. And so we can pull a stem in there. All right. So see those different colors and different ways of moving that. So I'm going to do it really slow again. All right. So we're going to do a Y. And then I'm going to go slow motion here. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to pick up some pink on the other side. And then we pull a stem right in the middle. All right. So see how you get those pretty colors. And you can also come in here a little bit later and add just a little bit of pinks here and there. This is magenta. I can come from the tip and add a little bit in here. And I could come right in here. I'll wipe that off a little bit. Let's put it on the citrus edge of the brush. All right, so see, that gives a pretty color. This has a little bit of white in with the citrus and then a little bit of magenta. And then I'm just going to come in and show you that I can take with my 16 flat, and let's get the colors for my rose. Okay. All right, so it should feel like butter. You should have enough paint that it feels like butter. And then so I'm going to show you that I can come around. All right, I pick up more paint every couple strokes. So I just slide this, look at this. I slide it across there and get white. All right, now what I want to show you is, you know how we just did that leaf? Well, you could come over here ever so lightly and pick up a teeny bit of citrus. Okay, a little bit more. All right, just come around. That kind of gives you the same feel of what we're doing with the pink, right? But that citrus green, I can even come here with a little bit of blue. You can just play with that. All right. So what I would do with the blue is I wouldn't flip it over. I thought I'd add it to the pink, but I think I'd just add it there. All right, so you can just keep adding different color. So I'm going to pick up the white and come over here and get a little bit of blue again. More magenta. And those colors together kind of give you a purple. All right. So just adding color to it as you're loading. So that was kind of more like the multi-loading that I like to share with you. Okay, so I can get a little bit of citrus on there. All right. So we'll go back to some white because there's still a little citrus in here. Okay. There. A little bit more. Back and forth. There we go. A little bit on the other side. Okay, there we go. Go back and get some more white. All right. Go back and get some more white. And we're going to come right here and slide across. See, I came there, slide across. A little bit more white and a teeny bit of citrus. All right, so I can come across here. I can even come along with a little bit of blue. So you're alternating the colors you pick up, all right? But I do have white in here, right? There we go. We alternate the colors and come back with some white in here. All right. So just a lot of different colors in here. Just doing that for fun. And I do that a lot when I do chrysanthemums, when I alternate the petals quite a bit. So here we are. We're just going to do white. If you don't like your stroke, you pick up more paint, go right back over it. And here's a bud that we can just do choppy, choppy, chisel, chisel, chisel. All right. Now we can do the same bud and pick up a little bit of blue. Okay, and go back to white. Let's grab a little bit of citrus in there. But we get a little bit more white. It really makes it look good. There we go. A little bit more. All right, so just alternating the color, putting some of these deep colors in it would look good too. We can, if you take this peacock blue and blue peacock and you add little magentas in it, you're going to get a purple tone. Okay, so we can come right in here and make a deeper color. And then I could take the same 3/4, no, 16, and look, I can come right in here, and I'm just picking up citrus at this point with all that color on my brush. All right, so see with all the pinks and the blues. And the pressure, when you're putting the pressure, you're getting all this pretty color. All right. Now, one thing that's important is you don't do a super busy background with a super busy colors because it takes away from what you're doing. All right, so think about that. And right here, it's staged down to like a lot smaller brush. And good, because right now I have large, medium, And if you came in here with some little small strokes, okay, look, I can come in here with a few blue peacock or magenta or just citrus, you know. So then you're just going to another stage, another or metallics. Okay. Look, let's put some magenta in here. Magenta with that makes it look purple. So I can put a few here and there. Okay. It's a little fun today. Sorry. Wanted you to see what that would be like. And just play around with it. Just kind of see. I just picked up different colors just to I liked showing you how you could add that to that leaf earlier. And you could get it real smooth instead of choppy like that. But I was just playing with you. Hope you enjoy. I'll accept it a little different. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.